This like chocolate bar thing, and then we forgot about it after bringing the Horizon. It was in my backpack, and it's just weird. It's liquid. I want some liquid chocolate.
That's so good. Oh, I thought it was coming out. Oh, it is coming out of the bottom. Oh god, dang it.
That was really good though.
That's so
And
good.
there's cookies in it.
There's cookies and cream. I had Ollie's penis in my mouth.
I just definitely fell over, and yeah. I touched Ollie's butt and it looked like crazy.
Look, I don't. It's on my hand from Ollie's penis.
My phone's really sweaty. It's actually kind of disgusting. Like, it is full on soaked.
Here. Which one? Wait.
Here, you want the camera? I'll do it.
So, we were groping Ollie's penis. It was all in my mouth. Which isn't a total lie because that's very true.
Randy's experience, we're calling it. There's a fucking nasty as shit guy next to me. He all had like wet hair and like okay, at one point Ollie was like, get your fucking hands up in the air, and the guy's like, yes, and I'm like, armpit hair, disgusting armpit hair. But it was really great editing. All the pictures, I got a lot of good pictures.
I would fucking do anything to go see them again. Oh, it's so good.
And next we're gonna see Cobra Starship.
Yay!
Oh.
Hurry up, I want some more of that.
That's the best chocolate bar I've ever had.